Alright, so today I'm going to show you this beautiful 72 ST-72 Strat made in Japan. We got the Kaminari pickup set made in USA, and we're going to let you hear it today. So here we go. We got the bridge. Here it goes. And now I got the bridge in the middle. Now I got the middle. Now I got the middle and the neck. And then finally the neck. And now I got the switch. So let's turn it on. And now I got the bridge and the neck together. Sounds like this. And then last, in this position, we have all three. Okay, that's it.